Okay, we're going to be writing the equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines have exactly the same slope, as I'm sure you remember. Perpendicular lines, opposite reciprocal slope. Let's go over what opposite reciprocal slope means. So if I'm giving that a line had a slope of, let's say, 1/2. If I want one that's perpendicular, what's going to happen is that you will flip the fraction and change the sign. So these two here would be perpendicular slopes, opposite reciprocal. Alright, example number 1, we're going to write the equation of a line parallel. 4x minus 3 and passes through -2, 5. So step 1 is to identify the slope of your new equation. So here the slope is 4, and if I want one that's parallel, I'm going to use the exact same slope. Step 2, choose a form. Are you going to do point slope form, slope intercept form, standard form? Well, we know the slope and we know a point, so I'm going to go with point slope. Remember, this is an x and that's a y. Don't let those double negatives get you, right? X is -2, and there's a subtraction sign in the form. And then, of course, you want to clean that up. Let's go ahead and put it in slope intercept form. If it said to do it in point slope form, we could just leave it. But I'm going to go ahead and finish it out because I think that's primarily what you're going to be asked to do, like ACT-wise and things. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this through, so I get 4x plus 8. Add 5 to either side of the equal sign. And what I want you to notice is that even though their slopes are exactly the same, that y-intercept is completely different. So keep that in mind. Okay, this time we're looking for a perpendicular line. So again, step 1 was to determine the slope, the usable slope. So here's the slope of this line, but now I want perpendicular. So we flip it. We're going to use 3/2 and change the sign. Step 2, choose a form of the equation. Again, I got this slope, right, and I got this point, so probably point slope. This is x, that's y. Okay, go ahead and finish it out, and then you pause, and then come on back. Okay, check your answer. -3/2 x plus 8.